navigation started. A U-turn on a driveway, then in 150 feet turn left onto Tamnamore Road.
Guys, look at this. Look at this road that we are gonna go through now. Oh my god! Oh my god! I am a very big fan of nature. I would be happy to live in a place like this. Actually, I will be happy and I will not be happy at the same time. You know why? Because I like to live in a very nice place like this, but at the same time, I don't like to be away, so much away from the town. So that's one of the reasons why I might not like it here. Very hot, very hot.
In half a mile, turn left.
Yep. I think we have finished here, and now we are gonna go to another location. I mean, all the deliveries are gonna be in one place, I think. Oh, I should be turning left here.
Turn right onto Mooneenack Road, B183.
The best thing that you can do ever in summer is to do deliveries. You're gonna see a very nice sights, very nice landscapes, very nice places. Ooh, look, look.
Turn right onto Mooneenack Road, B183.
It's very tempting to drive so fast, but I need to be careful. I don't wanna kill myself or kill anyone else. I swear I came here before. I remember this road.
In half a mile, turn right.
When you do deliveries with Amazon, you're gonna find out that you were here. I mean you get familiar with the same place, because you will very likely be deliver things to the same place once or twice. I missed my exit. I missed my exit.
B183. Then in half a mile enter a roundabout. Then take the fourth exit onto Mooneenack Road, B183. Left. Then in 400 feet arrive at the destination on your right.
Yeah, I missed my exit, but I came back again.
In 400 feet arrive at the destination on your right. Arrive at the destination on your right.
Which house is it? Is it this one? Is it this house? Because there are two houses here. What house? What number of houses? I don't know really, but I feel like it's gonna be this one. Alright, 6831, envelope number 31, and book folder 68. No, 32 envelope, not 31. Book folder 68. That's 69, I guess. 68, 68, 68, yes. 2 deliveries, 2 parcels, 2 packages. Hello. Is it house 171?
It is indeed.
All right.
Thank you very much.
Okay,
Thank you.
thanks.
Okay. Thank you.
All right.
Right.
Okay, thanks. They have a very nice house. I think they own a farm. Oh, I need to be careful. I feel like if I am not careful, I'm gonna crush my car and crush their fence, because the fence here is so close. Alright, let's do it.
Navigation started. Make a U-turn. Then in 400 feet turn right onto Moninik Road. B183. In half a mile at the roundabout, take the second exit onto Moninik Road. B183.
Roundabout.
At the roundabout, take the second exit onto Moninik Road. B183. Then in 500 feet turn left.
Sorry, I didn't see it.
In 500 feet turn left.
I have arrived.
Destination.
We have arrived. We have arrived. Under construction house. We have arrived. We have arrived. Yeah, it's under construction house. It's envelope number 9. It was here. Where are you, number 9? It's number 4. Yeah, it is here. I'm gonna mute you guys because I have to make an age restricted delivery. Hi. Alright, sorry, I'm recording.
No bother, thank you.
The year of your birth is gonna be? Alright, I'm just gonna take a picture. Right.
Yes.
No, the year is?
Oh, yeah, sorry, the year.
Okay, no worries.
Alright,
Thank you.
thank you.
I'm gonna mute that, don't worry. Alright, as you see. Okay guys, what is it? Age restricted delivery. It is like things that should be delivered to people who are over 18 or over 16, I think. So if you are delivering, like example, alcohol, or if you are delivering a sharp item like a knife or something, or chemicals, I think, so it's gonna be age restricted delivery. You gotta be careful with those things. It's 29, the battery is 29%. Okay, see guys, here all these deliveries in the same town or the same village. That's nice.